Welcome, dear listeners, to a tale that will transport you deep into the heart of mystery and wonder. Imagine standing at the edge of a dense forest where whispers of forgotten legends linger in the air and ancient secrets lie hidden beneath towering trees. It's here, in this enchanted expanse, that our story begins, a story of courage, discovery, and the unyielding pursuit of wisdom. As the leaves rustle and the wind carries its quiet secrets, we invite you to step closer, to listen carefully, and to journey with us into a world where the past and present intertwine. What lies ahead? Only time and your curiosity will tell. Let's begin. In the heart of a dense forest, Tom embarked on his usual treasure hunting expedition with his trusty metal detector. With each step, he carefully scanned the ground, hoping to unearth hidden artifacts from the past. But as he passed a towering oak tree, an unexpected phenomenon occurred. The metal detector erupted in a symphony of beeps and buzzes. But before we start, smash the like button and make sure to subscribe if you haven't, and hit that notification bell so that you won't miss any new stories. Intrigued, Tom pondered the mystery that lay within the ancient tree, unaware of the unimaginable secret that awaited him. Rend by curiosity, Tom circled the tree, his metal detector beeping with increasing intensity. Something extraordinary lurked beneath the bark, yearning to be unveiled. His hands trembling with excitement, he retrieved an axe from his bag and swung it against the tree trunk. The wood splintered, revealing a hidden compartment within the hollow core. Inside, a weathered map lay waiting, its ancient markings hinting at a long-forgotten treasure buried within the forest depths. With the map clutched tightly in his hand, Tom embarked on a thrilling treasure hunt. He followed its cryptic symbols and winding trails, his heart pounding with anticipation. The forest whispered its secrets, guiding him deeper into its enchanted embrace. As he treed through moss-covered stones and crossed babbling brooks, the thrill of the unknown propelled him forward. Yet, the deeper he ventured, the more he sensed an unexplainable presence, a force closely intertwined with the treasure he sought. In the depths of the forest, Tom encountered eerie whispers that danced upon the wind, and so they spoke of forgotten legends and the price that must be paid for unearthing ancient secrets. Fear coiled in his stomach, but his determination overpowered the lingering doubts. He pressed on, driven by the hope of a life-changing discovery. As night fell, strange figures appeared, cloaked in darkness. Their eyes gleamed with both menace and curiosity, watching his every move. Met with the moon as his only companion, Tom arrived at the designated spot marked on the map. The air crackled with anticipation, and a tingling sensation coursed through his veins. Beneath the moonlit canopy, he followed the map's instructions, unearthing a hidden chest from the forest floor. Racing, he opened it, expecting a trove of riches. But what he discovered left him pale and trembling. A single ancient book bound in weathered leather, its pages whispered tales of an untold wisdom and promised a profound transformation for those who dared to read it. At Spied, determined to unlock the secrets contained within, the ancient book, Tom immersed himself in its pages. It revealed forgotten knowledge, guiding him on a path of self-discovery and its enlightenment. And with each word absorbed, he felt a deep connection to the world around him, as if he had tapped into a wellspring of wisdom that transcended mem. The book became his guide, urging him to use his newfound understanding for the greater good and to protect the fragile balance between the natural and supernatural realms. Armed with his newfound knowledge, Tom found himself caught in a battle between light and darkness. Forces that had long remained hidden now threatened to tip the delicate scales of existence. He encountered dark entities that sought to exploit the ancient book's power for their own malevolent desires. With courage burning in his heart, Tom faced them head-on, channeling the wisdom he had acquired to cast light upon their shadows. His determina inspired others to join the fight, and together they formed a new yielding force against the encroaching darkness. Through arduous battles and countless sacrifices, Tom and his allies emerged victorious. The darkness receded, its malevolence banished by the unwavering ring resolve of those who fought for the preservation of goodness and harmony. The forest, once plagued by shadows, bloomed with renewed vitality and vibrant life. The whispers of the ancient trees echoed with gratitude, as if the very essence of nature celebrated the triumph of light over darkness. Town's journey had not only uncovered a hidden treasure, but had restored balance to a realm teetering on the edge of despair. In She's united in purpose, Tom and his companions became guardians of the ancient book and the wisdom it contained. They established a sanctuary within the forest, a place where seekers of knowledge could find solace and enlightenment. Guided by the teachings of the book, they fostered harmony between humanity and the natural world, sharing their insights to inspire generations to come. The forest thrived under their watchful eyes, a testament to the enduring power of wisdom and the unwavering dedication of those who protected it. As time passed, Tom's name became synonymous with the preservation of ancient wisdom and the safeguarding of the enchanted forest. Nice adored his story ped into folklore, inspiring future treasure hunters and seekers of knowledge. The forest continued to flourish, its secrets whispering through the trees, inviting curious souls to explore its depths. The ancient book remained a beacon of enlightenment, protected by a lineage of guardians who would carry its message through the ages. Tom's journey had left an indelible mark, ensuring that the forest's magic and wisdom would endure for eternity. One day, as Tom rested by a small brook, he took a moment to reflect on his journey so far. He thought about how every step he had taken and every decision he had made had led him to this pivotal point. He remembered the early days when he was just a simple treasure hunter seeking small dreams. But now he found himself on the brink of a discovery that would change his life completely. In that moment, he felt a shift in the air. The wind picked up slightly and faint whispers carried through the trees. Many. The sounds began to take a more defined shape, and gradually the words became understandable. The whisperers spoke of ancient guardians, beings that had protected the forest's ancient secrets through the ages. And these guardians were not visible to humans, but they had always been there, watching and guarding with dedication. Tom wondered about the role of these guardians and how he could communicate with them. Their knowledge was crucial to understanding the nature of the ancient book. He decided to continue exploring the forest, searching for signs or symbols that might guide him to these hidden guardians. As he walked, he noticed a strange pattern in the formations of rocks and plants. They seemed to form symbols and shapes that he hadn't noticed before. The symbols led him to a specific spot in the forest where he noticed a thick spot in the forest where he noticed a spiral of intertwined trees forming a natural gateway. As he passed through it, he found himself in a distinct area filled with ancient trees, unlike any he had seen before. There, he saw a faint light emanating from the center of a circle of trees. While approaching cautiously, he discovered that the light was coming from a mysterious gemstone embedded in the ground. As he examined the gemstone, a luminous figure appeared before him. This figure was one of the ancient guardians, embodying both wisdom and power. The guardian spoke in a deep, resonant voice, welcoming Tom and expressing respect for his courage and determination. The guardian told Tom that the ancient book had been protected through the ages by the forest's guardians and that he had now been chosen to be a part of this ancient tradition. The guardian began to narrate the story of the forest, from its mythical origins to the events that had shaped its destiny. Tom learned that the ancient book was a gift from great spirits who wished to share their wisdom with humans. But with wisdom came great responsibility. The book contained incredible power that could be beneficial or destructive depending on who wielded it. After this profound session, Tom felt the weight of responsibility on his shoulders. But he also felt a new strength flowing through him, drawn from the connection with the Guardians and the wisdom of the book. He decided to dedicate his life to protecting this knowledge and sharing it cautiously those who proved worthy. Tom returned to his companions and told them about his experience and his new mission. They listened with awe and respect, understanding the gravity of what had been revealed. He agreed to support Tom in his quest, forming a dedicated group to protect the ancient wisdom and the enchanted forest. Under Tom's leadership, they established a sanctuary in the heart of the forest, a place where knowledge seekers could come to learn and find enlightenment. The sanctuary became a beacon of wisdom and harmony, attracting people from far and wide who sought to understand the ancient teachings and live in balance with nature. The sanctuary flourished with Tom and his companions, guiding and teaching those who came. They shared the ancient book's insights, helping others to discover their own paths of enlightenment and self-discovery. Why the forest, once shadowed by darkness, thrived with vibrant life and energy, a testament to the power of wisdom and the dedication of its protectors. As the years passed, Tom's name became legendary, his story inspiring countless treasure hunters and knowledge seekers. The forest remained a place of wonder and mystery, its secrets whispering through the trees and inviting new generations to explore its depths. The ancient book, safeguarded by a lineage of guardians, continued to illuminate the path for those who dared to seek its wisdom. Tom's journey had left an indelible mark, ensuring that the forest magic and wisdom would endure for eternity. And so, the story of the ancient book and its guardians became an enduring legacy, a symbol of the timeless connection between humanity and the natural world, and the transformative power of wisdom and courage.